Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making a yummy and flavorful recipe called mushroom stroganoff. So let's get started.
These are the ingredients we would need for making mushroom stroganoff. I have also listed them in the description section. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 finely chopped medium onion and mix everything together. Let the onion cook over medium heat till it turns translucent. Meanwhile, I will go ahead and prep the mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms thoroughly and then you can dry them with the help of a paper towel. Then cut them in a thicker fashion. I'm using portobello mushroom for the recipe, but you can use any mushroom of your choice. We will also keep an eye on the onion. Stir the onions occasionally so that they don't stick to the pan. You can see that they are turning golden brown. Now we'll add the mushrooms to the pan and give it a mix. We are cooking everything over medium heat, so let them cook, and meanwhile we will start with the preparation of our sauce. To prepare the sauce, add 100 to 150 grams of soaked cashews. I had soaked the cashews for 3 hours, but you don't have to do this step. You can directly use normal cashews as well. Then add 1 cup of plant-based milk of your choice, and then 2 to 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. I have roasted them in oil, and juice of 1 full lemon. Blend everything together into a fine paste. On the side, let's start with the preparation of the pasta. Boil water in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of salt, then 1 tablespoon of oil, and then add the pasta of your choice to the water. I'm using rotini pasta for my mushroom stroganoff recipe. This is one of my favorite pastas as it's gluten free. Now give everything a mix and let the pasta cook. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes over high heat. If you don't wish to use pasta, you can also serve mushroom stroganoff along with rice. Checking the status of the mushroom, I'm going to stir the mushroom to ensure they are not sticking to the pan. Let it cook over medium heat for another 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of garlic to the pan. Keep in mind that we have also used garlic while preparing the sauce. Give everything a mix and cook this over low heat for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the cashew based sauce to the pan and give everything a mix. Make sure that the heat is still set to low because the cashew sauce tends to stick to the pan. So it's always best to cook it over low heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt or salt as per taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and give everything a mix. Let everything cook for about 5 minutes over low heat. You can see the sauce is boiling. So the sauce will keep on getting thicker and you can cook it till you reach your desired consistency. This consistency looks perfect to me. Now I'll go ahead and add some parsley or coriander leaves and give everything a mix. The mushroom stroganoff is ready. Now switch off the heat and serve it hot with some pasta or steamed rice. This recipe is plant-based, gluten-free and so flavorful. It's the ultimate comfort food and happens to be easy and wholesome. You can garnish it further with some more coriander and parsley leaves. I have also listed some of the benefits of eating mushrooms, so make sure to check them out.
See how easy it was? If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you are still looking for more vegan recipes, click right here. I will see you with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.